Hello everyone, my name is Tyler and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be kicking off a multi-part series on how to join the hemp industry. There's a lot of different ways of doing it, so I'm just going to toss out a few ideas. Feel free to run with whatever you feel comfortable with. So let's get started. Probably the easiest way to get into the hemp industry is to start growing. You can do a lot of different things with plants, and you can enter into the growing part of the industry in many different levels. So let's go through a few of those. A few of them are creating seed, making either non-feminized versus feminized seed. The difference between non-feminized and feminized is that non-feminized has a much lower female production rate than a feminized seed does. Oftentimes, feminized seed will have a 95% or higher female production rate, and you want to make sure you have a good COA to make sure that you're buying the right feminized seed. For making seedlings, once you have seeds, basically just plant them in a 72 cell tray or smaller. Get them to grow up to the point of having 2 or 3 leaves, and then sell those back off. You can create mother plants, growing plants all the way to the point where they're big enough to sustain taking clippings off them to generate clones. And then you can either sell those mother plants to other places that are buying them, or you can just continue to sell clones off of those mother plants. Outside of this, you're actually, you can hold on to the plants and, either make flour from them and then resell the flour for smokable purposes, or you can make biomass out of them, which is often going to be going into production so that you can extract CBD from them. This is the easiest way to get in. The next best way of getting in is probably just reselling. That has your lowest amount of risk. You can resell bulk flour after you package it into either pre-rolled hemp cigarettes or into just bagged flour, or you can resell bulk oil either using it to infuse into other foods or in tinctures or salves or anything like that. The hardest way to get into the industry and the most expensive is in processing. In the processing side, you're going to be doing one of 3 things. You're going to either be doing extraction of CBD from plants, you're going to be doing refining of that crude oil into a distillate, or you're going to be refining it into an isolate. And then there's also remediation, which is working with other labs that have already done the refinement process, but they want to remove THC from the oil to either create a broad spectrum or another kind of product. I'm going to get into more detail with each one of these, but I just want to give a high level to start off. So come back, check out my next mini-series. My next series is going to be focusing in on growing, as well as the equipment you need, the costs you can expect, and some other considerations on the backside of harvesting. Thanks for joining me, and hope you come back again.